In all our years of traveling, I don't think this has ever happened.
Yeah, we still got to get packed up and the car hooked up.
Not all fun and games.
The car is just parked over there. I was unloading some stuff to put in the RV.
And then shortly after, it started downpouring. Man, I didn't feel like getting wet this morning.
Hey Lisa, has it ever rained before when we were getting ready to leave?
Nope.
I didn't think so. Nope, no rain. First time. What are you doing? Look at that. Grill fell out. Luckily it was caught on the air horn. You ready? Yeah.
You ready? Ready?
Campground's pretty cool. Check it out. Every site is a pull through and it's in the woods. You can see behind us. It's all pine trees. Pretty decent. You don't have to disconnect the car. Right next to the interstate, so you do get some road noise, but really nice. Got a dog park. Hey, you. Yeah, so this is the dog park. You can see it all the way down there, and there's Anna Banana Head. Great overnight stop, Walterboro, South Carolina. While Lisa's inside, getting everything ready for us to get out of here, I'll be on the outside, disconnecting everything and getting the car situated. Put the grill in the back hatch. We'll deal with that at another spot where we have a little bit more time and it's not as muddy. Rained all day yesterday. Check out the map, see where we're going today. Well, we're out of here. Now that you've seen the map, can you guess at where we're headed? Go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section and let me know if you can guess where we're headed. Also, we almost drove off with the Wi-Fi Ranger antenna up. That wouldn't have been good. That would have been the end of the Wi-Fi Ranger. I tell you what, I really like when the gas stations have these RV island pull-throughs. So much easier in and out. It's just for RVs. Okay, we've arrived at our stop for the night, and let me just show you around here real quick. You can see the water slide. This place may look a little familiar to you. This is where we came last year, and I did the 4th of July meetup. It's a Wytheville KOA. Pretty cool place. They got a lot of stuff for kids to do here. They got an inside bowling alley. I mean, how cool is that? And they got a pizza joint down there in the recreational center. So they got a lot of stuff here for kids and families to do. But we had a little issue today. We're going through a construction zone and something smelled like it was burning. And when you're driving down the road, you really don't know if it's you or somebody else or the construction stuff they're doing on the side of the road. And it got to the point where I had to stop because I was pretty sure it was us that was burning. And Lisa and I went around the whole RV sniffing, couldn't smell anything, came back in the camper and it reeks of electrical burning. So going through the construction zone, we weren't using the cruise control. Got a little further down the road, wanted to go use the cruise control, and not a second day for 2019, no cruise control. So gonna have to come up with plan B there. So let me show you this. So here's the computer that was up underneath the dashboard. The smells that are coming at this thing are horrendous. I'm gonna drill out the rivets and see what's inside. It blew up. I got a diode blown out. Looked like a relay half melted. Bunch of other diodes there melted. Resistor. Anything still hot? I can see something right there burned up. There's definitely one thing that's gonna happen here, is I'm gonna have to use my foot the rest of this trip. I guess that's it for the cruise control. So,
Honey,
what's up?
you think you could get this back on the camper?
Yeah.
Enough stuff?
I guess I can go check in the bin, see what we got. Looks like we just need a bunch of screws. That's the grill that fell off yesterday. Welcome to owning a 24-year-old camper. So we'll see if we can't get the grill back attached. That's where it goes. Well, that's where it came out of. I'm really glad it didn't fall all the way out though. Could have damaged somebody else's car or whatnot. Oh, check out our new flag. Can't more bark less. Thought that was pretty cool. That was a gift of a good friend. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the grill put back in. A little cooler here than Florida, so it's really nice. Check out that other video that I did on it, the review. They have a lot of stuff here for kids if you have kids. Okay, check it out. We have a grill back again.
Take the dog for a walk and it's fixed. That's so cool.
Hey, it had 6 screws holding it in. Now it's got 12. If 6 are enough, 12's way better. I think it's in there for its lifetime now, so we're good to go. Well, we had a pretty good night, second night. Up in the cab here, it still smells like burnt electrical. Even with, we had the windows open, we had a fan underneath there. It's like baked into the fabric or something. Hopefully today with the drive, it airs out. Well, as you can see, we got all set up. Another KOA. We're in Washington, Pennsylvania. Closest place that we could find to go into Pittsburgh. That's where we're going. So come along with us on this ride. I can tell you this campground here is a little sketchy getting into. It had some really tight turns. So we had a little pit stop we had to make today and get 2 new camper batteries for called the house batteries for the RV. We couldn't start the generator, so picked up 2 new batteries. But we're all set up. We're meeting some friends in Pennsylvania, so I hope you come along on the next video. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.